Demonstration project of smart factory. Through the innovation of key technology, Huazhong CMC has successfully developed HCMC-8 and HCMC-9 high-performance CMC systems, which are the most widely used high-performance numerical control system in China. It has been used successfully for dozens of media and high-end CMC machine tools, which are available in batch applications for many smart factories in China. Dongguan Jingshen 3C Smart Factory. Jingshen Smart Factory has 10 smart workshops with automated drilling and tapping production lines. The smart workshop includes 180 Chinese high-speed and high-precision drilling and tapping centers, 81 HCMC robots, 30 RGV, 10 AGV trollers, and one set of automatic inspection system for distribution of materials. It is equipped with industrial software systems of Chinese brands, including cloud platform of numerical control system, CAPP, APS, MES, three-dimensional virtual simulation system, etc. Through the development of hardware and software, the high-speed and high-precision drilling and tapping CMC equipment, CMC systems and robots can work together, and Huazhong CMC is also the first company in this sector to use robots for clamping workpieces instead of manual operations, which saves a lot of manpower. Huazhong CMC established the intelligent perception system based on the Internet of Things technology, transformed and upgraded current intelligent systems, and established a visualized integrated control center for the entire manufacturing process, realizing comprehensive support for machining centers, robots, and logistics equipment. Suzhou Victory Precision. Suzhou Victory Precision Intelligent Manufacturing Demonstration Project includes 200 sets of high-speed and high-precision drilling and tapping centers, 106 sets of HCMC robots, online visual inspection equipment, intelligent deburring and automatic polishing equipment, AGV, intelligent sterile warehouse and other logistics conveying devices, forming a highly flexible automatic production line with the support of Chinese industrial software such as 3D software, CAPP, PLM, MES, cloud, numerical control system. It realizes high-quality and large-scale flexible production for structural modules of portable electronic product in the mass customization. Shenyang Aviation Manufacturing Company Limited. Shenyang Intelligent Manufacturing Base for Aviation Complex structural parts in the first intelligent production line in Chinese aerospace sector that uses all high-end CMC equipment of Chinese brands. It is also the intelligent production line which equips with the largest quantity of HCMC-8 5-axis CMC system in the aerospace field. This project has 57 high-end CMC machine tools. Among them, there are 49 machine tools equipped with Huazhong CMC system and 33 of them with Huazhong CMC 5-axis system. Jilin Universal Machinery Company Limited. Jilin Universal Machinery Company Limited began to cooperate with Huazhong CMC in April of 2014 and has more than 800 sets of controllers for 4-axis and 5-axis machines. They are mainly used for machining parts and components of cars such as gear shift, wheel hub axle, wheel bracket, steering knuckle, control arm, handbrake, and various stamping parts. The surface finish and accuracy of the workpiece processed by the Huazhong CMC system can meet the requirements. Huazhong CMC system has reliable quality, stable performance, fast startup speed, high control accuracy, strong adaptability to the power grid and operation environment, saving production costs, and greatly improving production efficiency. Dongfeng Chukai Auto Parts Company Limited. The project demonstration application of control system and industrial robot for automatic production line for key automotive parts consists of 55 CMC machine tools of Chinese brand, 24 robots, 4 testing equipments, 2 assembly lines, and 1 high-frequency quenching line. It integrates manufacturing, inspection, assembly, heat treatment, and other processes, fully demonstrating achievements of precise machining centers, high-speed turning centers, CMC double-end face grinders, HCMC-8 controllers, and industrial robots.